Most tech channels are dying. Why? Because they're still reviewing gadgets while the world is moving to agents. If you want to start an AI channel today, you don't need a 4K camera or a studio. You need a system. The biggest mistake, being too broad. Don't just be an AI news channel. The big players already own that. You need a micro niche. The workflow specialist, how to use AI for specific industry. The ethical critic, deep diving into AI safety and bias. The creative pioneer, using AI to make indie films. Pick one. If you try to talk to everyone, you'll talk to nobody. Here is the 2026 Ghost Stack for production. Research. Use Perplexity or Gemini to find niche news before it hits the mainstream. Scripting. Don't just ask for a script. Feed it your voice profile so it doesn't sound like a generic robot. Visuals. Stop using stock footage. Use Runway or Luma to generate B-roll that actually matches your script word for word. Audio. If you're mic shy, use 11 Labs. The voice cloning is now so good, your own mother wouldn't know the difference. Here is the hard truth, the AI can do the work, but it can't provide the opinion. YouTube's algorithm in 2026 prioritizes perspective. People don't come for the news, they come for your take on the news. Always ask, what does this mean for the average person? That's where the views are. I want you to stop overthinking. Your first 10 videos will probably be bad, and that's okay. Your goal is to find your human plus AI rhythm. I've put a list of the top 10 AI channel prompts in the description to get you started. No excuses. The barrier to entry has never been lower, but the bar for quality has never been higher. Go build something. I'll see you in the next one.